Adhere.ly is a great tool for tracking your client's sleep patterns. Once you've logged into your account and selected your client, click Remind on the left navigation. Then scroll down and click on Sleep Log. Here you can see a preview of what your client will see when they complete the sleep log. Now choose the dates and times for your client to record their sleep. Hit Confirm. That's it! Now your client will receive a message to complete the sleep log. To see the data, click Review on the left navigation. Then, click on Sleep Log at the top of the screen. Here, you can see a graph of your client's sleep efficiency score for the week. Scroll over points on the graph to see the exact score. You can also change the range of time displayed in the top left. To see your client's complete sleep log, click the plus icon and scroll down. Here, you can see data like what time your client went to bed and how many times they woke up. You can also see the calculation for the sleep efficiency score, which is the percentage of time your client was asleep while in bed. And that's all! By using the sleep log, you can efficiently track your client's sleep patterns to monitor their health and progress.